In the last session, we learnt about the basics of workbooks and worksheets of MS Excel. In this session, we'll learn how to use, store and edit data in a worksheet. We'll also learn how to use various data tools such as graphs or charts to make data more presentable. We know that we use a worksheet to store data in MS Excel. Each worksheet is made up of rows and columns. An intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. These are the cells that contain data. For easy reference, each cell is given a name from its intersection. For example, the cell that is in column A and row 5 is referred to as cell A5. The name is displayed in the name box below the ribbon. A group of adjacent cells is called a range. For example, range of cells from A1 to A5 is denoted by A1 is to A5. Click on a cell to make it active. You can see a rectangular boundary over the cell. This indicates that the cell is active. Then, you can enter data into it. This data can be numbers, text, dates, or time. Let's see how to enter text or numbers in a cell. 1. Click on the cell. 2. Type the number or text that you want to enter. 3. Press Enter or Tab. To enter a date in a cell, 1. Click on the cell. 2. Enter a date using a slash mark or a hyphen to separate the parts of a date. 3. Press Enter or Tab. To enter a time that is based on the 12-hour clock, enter the time followed by a space and then type A or P. By default, MS Excel enters the time as AM. MS Excel allows you to enter the same data into several cells at the same time in just a click. To enter the same data into several cells, 1. Select the cells into which you want to enter the same data. 2. Type the data in the active cell. 3. Press Ctrl plus Enter. You can also enter the same data into several cells by using the fill handle.